So one day, Jesus was teaching in the temple, and he sees this viejita, man.
A what?
A viejita, you know, a grandma, an old lady.
Oh.
Anyways, she was old and bent over.
Bent over?
Yeah, I think she was looking for something on the ground. Or maybe she lost her contact. I don't know, man. But she had been like that for like 18 years, man.
18 years? Why didn't she just buy some new contacts?
I know, right? Well, maybe she didn't have any money. I don't know. So anyway, Jesus sees her and he says to her, hey, come over here for a minute.
Wait, why didn't Jesus go over to her?
See, that's what I thought. My abuelita would have said, if you want me, you come over here. But this viejita walks over to Jesus and Jesus says to her, dear woman, you are healed of your sickness. So she stopped looking for her contacts.
So he healed her eyes?
Well, I guess so, because she stopped looking on the ground after that. The Bible says she stood up straight.
Wait a minute. She wasn't looking for her contact. She was bent over because she was crippled. She couldn't stand up straight.
Okay, I'll buy it.
Don't you see, Paco? Jesus is caring. That's our word for today, caring. That's why she walked over to Jesus. She could tell he was caring.
Carrying? You mean like Jesus was carrying something heavy in his arms, so he was tired and said, come over here because my back is hurting me more than your back is hurting you from bending over all day?
No, not carrying. Caring. The old lady walked over to Jesus because she could tell by his words when he called her that he cared for her, that he loved her. And Jesus didn't call her old lady like everyone else did. He called her dear woman. And then he healed her. Mark 16:18 says, lay hands on the sick and they will be healed. That's caring.
That reminds me of the time I was carrying the groceries for my mama because I was carrying that they were too heavy for her. And I was caring for my little sister when I was carrying her home after she fell and hurt her knees. And one time I was carrying the trash out of the house because I was carrying how bad it smelt. What'd I say? Why do you always leave when I'm trying to talk to you? That's not very caring. Maybe he left because I'm carrying this too far.